I I believe that again it's not me.
Oo.
The Philippine HR group is composed of volunteers,
Okay.
mentors,
Mm.
administrators, and these are the people who made the Philippine HR group successful. I was just the I was just the person who gave the idea and people supported me on my idea and it organically grew because people got themselves involved in one positive mission. And that mission is create an avenue where people would have free learning
Yeah.
and where
Right.
people would be, it's a safe space for everyone to
Yeah.
share their experiences.